Greetings, road warriors. Welcome back to the Porter's RV Sales YouTube channel here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where luxury meets the open road. Today, we are bringing you a coach that represents incredible value in the diesel pusher market. This is the 2013 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country 405FK. If you have been looking for the smooth ride and power of a diesel without a six-figure price tag, this is a unit you need to see. It features only 46,000 miles on the odometer, which is very low for a 2013 diesel engine. At 41 feet long, this sports coach sits on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis and features 4 full-size slide-outs that completely transform the living space. As we start the walk-around, take a look at the finish. This coach comes coated in a beautiful full-body paint package. Unlike entry-level gas motorhomes that use vinyl decals, this sports coach has an automotive-grade paint finish that has held its shine remarkably well. It gives the coach a high-end, modern look that truly stands out on the road. One major highlight for the next owner: we have installed brand new tires all the way around this RV. You are getting a fresh, 0-mile set of rubber, which is a massive savings and provides total peace of mind for your first long-distance trip. Along the passenger side, you'll notice the power patio awning and a dedicated power door awning to keep you dry as you enter. We also have protective slide toppers over all 4 of those massive slide-outs to keep debris and water away from your seals. Right here in the sidewall is your exterior entertainment center, featuring a 32-inch TV so you can enjoy the big game while you're lounging outside. Throughout this tour, notice the polished wheels and the overall condition of the fiberglass. Every detail, from the frameless windows to the side view cameras integrated into the mirrors, indicates a coach that has been well maintained. We're going to continue our walk around the rear cap to check out the ladder and the heavy-duty hitch before we dive into the basement to look at the mechanical systems that make this cross-country such a smooth performer on the highway. Let's move down to the foundation, because the Sports Coach Cross Country is built on the legendary Freightliner chassis. Since this is a rear-engine diesel, you get the benefit of full air ride suspension and full air brakes. It delivers that signature floating feeling, where the coach absorbs the bumps in the road, making a long day of driving much less fatiguing. Powering your journey is the reliable Cummins ISB diesel engine. It produces 340 horsepower and 660 foot-pounds of torque, paired with the Allison 2500 automatic transmission with an electronic shifter. This is a very efficient and dependable powertrain for a 41-foot coach. Moving into the storage bays, we have massive pass-through basement compartments. Because the engine is in the rear, you have all this extra open space in the middle of the chassis for your chairs, grills, and long-term gear. For your off-grid power, we have an Onan 8.0 kilowatt quiet diesel generator. This unit provides more than enough power to run both of your roof ACs and all your appliances while you're dry camping. This coach is also equipped with a 50-amp service, a Magnum inverter charger, and dedicated battery disconnects to manage your power efficiently. Setup at the campsite is a breeze, thanks to the 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with a simple touchpad control. You've also got the rear view and side view camera system to eliminate blind spots while you're on the highway. Every system on this sports coach, from the dual ACs with heat pumps to the heavy-duty cooling system, is designed to provide a high-end travel experience. Let's head inside and see how this space translates to the interior. Step up into the sports coach and you are immediately greeted by a wide-open residential-style interior. The 405FK floor plan is very unique, as it features a front kitchen layout that separates the cooking area from the main lounge. You'll notice the high-quality cabinetry and the sheer amount of floor space created by those 4 slide-outs. The entrance is welcoming and sets the stage for a coach that truly feels like a custom apartment on wheels. It's a bright, airy layout that is perfect for hosting friends or traveling with the whole family. In the main living area, we have a comfortable love seat positioned perfectly to enjoy the entertainment center. You have a large 40-inch TV and an electric fireplace that adds a cozy ambiance and extra heat on those cool mornings. It's a great spot to unwind after a day of adventure. The front kitchen is a standout feature for the traveling chef. You have a full residential refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop and oven, and a microwave for all your cooking needs. The residential sink and faucet make cleanup easy, and the front-facing windows provide a great view while you're preparing meals. There is plenty of cabinet space both above and below to keep your pantry items organized. Adjacent to the kitchen is the convertible booth dinette. This is your hub for meals or a morning cup of coffee, and it easily transforms into an additional sleeping space. Right across from it is a large jackknife sleeper sofa. Between these two and the rear bed, this coach can comfortably sleep up to 6 people. You also have an additional 32-inch TV mounted above the front seats, ensuring everyone has a good view of the entertainment. Moving toward the rear, we find a very spacious middle bathroom area. The standout feature is the huge shower enclosure with glass doors and a skylight that adds a lot of height and natural light. You have a vanity with a sink and plenty of storage for your toiletries. For added privacy, the toilet is located in its own separate water closet, which also features a power vent fan. This split functionality is a huge benefit for families, allowing multiple people to get ready at the same time without feeling cramped. It's a clean, functional space that bridges the gap between the living room and the master suite perfectly. Welcome to the Master Retreat. The 405FK features a queen-sized bed situated in its own slide-out, providing plenty of walk-around space. You have your own 32-inch TV back here, along with an abundance of drawer storage and a large wardrobe closet for all your travel attire. One detail I have to highlight is the vented closet prepped with washer and dryer hookups. We don't have the machines installed currently, but the plumbing and wiring are ready to go. If you'd like to have a set added before you pick up the coach, our team here at Porter's can handle that installation for an additional fee. This is a quiet, comfortable sanctuary that ensures you get a great night's rest, separated perfectly from the rest of the coach. It's a true residential bedroom for the long-term traveler. As we finish up our tour, it's easy to see why the 2013 Coachmen Sportscoach Cross Country is such a fantastic value. To recap, you are looking at a diesel pusher with only 46,000 miles. You're getting the power and reliability of a Cummins ISB engine on a heavy-duty Freightliner chassis with brand new tires all the way around. With 4 slides, full body paint, the front kitchen layout, and washer-dryer prep, this coach is ready for its next owner. If you want to see this coach in person or have any specific questions, please give us a call at 864-260-9276 or send an email to sales@portersrvsales.com. Be sure to visit us online at www.portersrvsales.com to see more photos and the full specification sheet. Thank you so much for joining us for this tour at Porter's RV Sales. We love showing off these high-quality units. If you enjoyed the video, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more virtual tours. We look forward to seeing you here in Williamston very soon. And as always, happy camping!